Ever wondered how to keep pace with the ever-evolving demands of an expanding electrical system? The solution is simpler than you might think. Expandable electric boxes. Expandable electric boxes are the unsung heroes of the electrical world, masterfully managing the complex symphony of wires, switches, and outlets in our homes and workplaces. As we add more devices and appliances to our lives, these boxes are designed to grow with us, ensuring our electrical systems remain safe, efficient, and well organized. There are a few key points to remember about these ingenious devices. Firstly, expandable electric boxes are adaptable. They can increase in size to accommodate more circuits as your electrical needs grow. This means they're a future-proof solution, ready to handle whatever new appliances or systems you might bring into your space. Secondly, they're a safety essential. Overcrowded electrical boxes can lead to overheating and even fires. Expandable boxes reduce this risk by providing plenty of room for each circuit to operate safely. Thirdly, they're versatile. Expandable boxes can be used in a variety of settings, from residential homes to large commercial buildings. They can even be customized to suit specific needs, ensuring every electrical system gets the support it needs. Finally, they're cost-effective. While the initial investment may be more than a standard box, the long-term savings are significant. With an expandable box, there's no need to replace the entire unit if you need more space. Simply add on to what's already there. This not only saves money, but also reduces waste, making expandable boxes a more sustainable choice. So there you have it. Expandable electric boxes, adaptable, safe, versatile, and cost-effective. They're the smart solution for managing the challenges of an expanding electrical system. Whether you're planning a new build or upgrading an existing system, it's time to think big with expandable electric boxes.